Welcome back to my bathroom. Today, it's part 2 of Amazon's weirdest self-care items. We'll try all this out together and rate it 1 through 10. First up, we have Shungite stickers. Did I say that right? You get 2 of these for $8. Oh, wow. They must have known I'm a slut for scratch-offs. Came with a scratch-off ticket. It says I won $64 worth of bonuses. Somebody screenshot that, try it out. Here's the rock. This goes on your cell phone. Shungite is a rare stone, apparently, that is made up of 99% carbon. It's all scratched and worn. I don't know, I think one of these is used, so it's fair to say this probably works. The gimmick behind this is you put it on your electronics. It also says you can put it on your microwave, dishwasher, washing machine, dryer. It's a little sticker. Put it right here. Somehow, some way, this is going to block the negative energy that comes from my phone. Do you think they make this in a dress? An Amazon customer named Cardi said that he or she or they or them or there or it or is or isn't, I don't know, said that they use this with the tri-field meter. I have no idea what that is, but it sounds legit. Using 2 different phones, and it did not decrease the EMFs, which must be the radioactive waves coming from the device. They also tried it on the microwave, and it did not work either. Did absolutely nothing to lower the EMFs when put back on the phone. Cannot recommend these, okay? I don't really know about it, but I would like to believe that it works. It's probably the placebo effect. I stick the rock on the phone, and it makes me feel better. Either way, it can't hurt, right? It's the redneck pop socket. You know the best way to get rid of these EMF, BGFs, waves, radioactive waves? Just to not be on your phone. Put it away. I'm gonna give this a 5 because I'm not sure. We have more rocks. This is a Fidget Gone Fidget Stone. Wow! $16 for this rock. Comes with a puzzle. This is to display our fidget rock. It is a durable rock. It comes with one of these dentist picks. That will give you anxiety. Did you know that dentists have the highest, I can't say that word on here, rate of ending it all out of all the healthcare professionals? I think because majority of people are scared of the dentist and they're surrounded by that negative energy all day of people just hating them. Not hating them as a person, just what they're doing. They need to wear one of these stickers. I'm gonna bring this to my dentist. Comes with the Fidget Be Gone filler. Whoa, that'll get you going. So you fill the top of your rock with the fidget glue. Take the provided spoon, spatula, and do one of these. And it says to put a thick coat on there because they want you to use it all and keep buying more. This would not be good for people that have, what's that called? Where you can't look at strawberries and stuff. Little tiny holes. What is that called? Trick of something. It bothers you to look at pores of things. Honeycomb, strawberries, things of that sort. This would not be for you. You let this dry and then you pick at it with the provided dentist tool and the tweezers. We're just gonna let it dry on our little stand here and come back to that. Ear seed acupuncture kit. You get 1,200 of these for $10. Okay, they look like this. Oh yeah, all the links to this are below if anyone's interested in any of this. Well, so far I'd call it junk, but I promise it gets better as we go on. These are kind of like those reflexology gloves we got from Temu. It's got a stone on here, and these are stickers. You get these pressure point tools, 2 of them, and you get the little book that tells you where to put the stickers according to your ailment. Here. There's also these little maps. If you want to lose weight, quit smoking, you can put it in this ear map. This lady said she was 57 and has smoked since she's 13. I'm certainly not a mathematician, but that's a long time. She said she tried the quit smoking map, which is on page 13, and she hasn't smoked in 5 hours. I wonder if she just took a nap for 5 hours. I'll just do the knee, which is right here. You take this tool and you're supposed to ram it. Oh, what the heck? It goes up and down. Ram the tool there. Feels like I'm getting my ears pierced at Claire's. To get it ready, make the little indent. Then you take, oh wait, that's what the tweezers are for. Now you take the sticker with the tweezers and put the seed in the hole. So it looks like that. Then you're supposed to press this 3 times a day for 20 minutes each time. That's an hour pressing your ear. It does hurt. It's kind of one of those I don't know how to explain it other than sometimes the water is so hot it's cold. It's kind of like that. If these work, this is a great value for the money. They did have another brand that was actual earrings, or it looked like earrings. So when you stick all this junk on your ears, it doesn't look like you have a bunch of band-aids. It looks like an actual earring. They were gold beads, so it looked like jewelry. They were just way too expensive. I mean, look at my mirror. Do you think we have the budget for that? I'm gonna try it. Honestly, I need to do this constipation map, which you're oversharing. I'm getting a colonic tomorrow. Anyway, I'll try this out and let you know if this works. Our stone is still wet, so we're gonna proceed forward. Clear Eyes Cooling Comfort Eye Drops. Icy hot for the eyes. Oh wow, it contains menthol. More like Newports for the eyes. It says it relieves redness, dryness, burning, itching, irritation. We're only gonna try it in one eyeball because the reviews say this should be illegal. Well, can you get it in there? Ooh, I don't know how that would relieve redness. It feels very spicy. You ever chopped up peppers, fondled the peppers with your hands, and then rubbed your eyeballs? That's what it feels like. They're not for me. Now I'm sweating even more than I was already sweating. Why can't I see anymore? My eyes are smoking Newports. I would give these a 1. Here's where the fun begins. We have a gallon of pickle juice. This will set you back $23. This is for muscle cramping. It is sugar-free, caffeine-free, gluten-free, no colors. We see that, it's clear. I guess I was expecting it to be green. Does have a safety seal. Apparently this stops muscle cramping in 60 seconds. And it's also something that you would drink after you work out for speedy recovery. 10 times the, 10 times the electrolytes as a sports drink. I've seen people at the gym drink the little ones of this, but I wanna say that they are green. It does not smell like pickle juice at all. Let's go get a cup. Cheers. Whoa! I see white light. It tastes like it wants to be pickle juice, but it's not quite pickle juice. It's not as good as straight up pickle juice. I will just chug a jar. If we ever have pickles, which we don't, because I have this problem where I will drink out of the jar and then leave the pickles. Where's the juice? I will also chug coffee creamer, so we can't have it in the house. We can't even keep it because I have no self-control. I love coffee creamer, and half and half, I will chug the bottle. So it's just not as good as the actual pickle juice, but according to this company, it's a lot better for you than pickle juice. Water, vinegar, dill oil. Okay, well. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what to think about this. I'll try it for a week and I'll update you. Our fidget rock is ready. Oh no, it's not ready. It's still wet under there. Back on the display stand you go. Liquid chlorophyll. Spoiler alert, I used to drink this when I was a vegan. I am not a vegan anymore. Ironically, now all I eat is meat and vegetables. That's probably why you have to have a colonic tomorrow. I never tried this brand though, but this is basically a condensed version of chlorophyll. That's in plants. That works with the sun, makes the plants bigger. Am I getting that right? I don't think so. It helps detox the body, helps your digestive system, everything's flowing in and out, in and out. And one cool thing that I did not know about this is it's a natural deodorant that works from the inside out. It said that it takes a while to see this effect, but if you drink this every day, your body will start to deodorize itself. Basically, you're not gonna smell bad. If you have odor issues in your armpits or feet or anywhere else, ladies, I don't know about it. Look, no judgment. We all have our own issues. What you do is you put a tablespoon of this with some H2O. I still don't have my tooth. I don't want to get into it. I went to the dentist to get my tooth implant and they're like, yeah, it just doesn't look right. You're gonna have to come back. I've got a Kentucky smile. This is $22, did I tell you that? Minty. Oh, this one has a mint flavor. Awesome, fantastic. You ever had the Dollar Tree mouthwash? It's a really weak mouthwash. It's like 99.9% of water with a little hint of mint. That's what that tastes like. It's not a bad thing, but it's not necessarily delicious. This brand is apparently the best brand, Nature's Sunshine. So I'm gonna give it a go. I'm gonna drink it for 30 days and I'll let you know. Back stretcher for lower back pain. $29 for this. The company is called Hang Me. Don't show this to your dentist. You put this over the door. All right, so once they're on the door, grab these and you're supposed to squat down like this. And it's supposed to pull your back, but I am pretty short, so I can't do the squat. So they are not for short people. That's a 0 out of 10. Bee venom foot soak. You get 14 little pods that are separated into 2 packs. They look like little Tide Pods. Remember when teenagers were eating Tide Pods? A tasty treat. God damn. That smells like some sort of dark liquor. Bourbon, perhaps? Not in a good way. These are made from bee venom. When you place your foot in them, it kind of numbs your pain and helps promote blood circulation and drain the lymphatic system. It's really questionable how or why this works. It doesn't even have the ingredient list to fact check this to see how much bee venom. Where'd you get the bee venom from? Are you killing the bees to get the bee venom? I don't know. Oh. This feels nice, but honestly, a foot soak just with regular water feels nice. This didn't offer any special qualities like cooling, heating, or even numbing like it's promoting. So for me, these are a gimmick. I would give them a 1 LED acne patch. This is $20. It comes with 1 device that's good for 30 uses. You peel one of the sticker pads on this, apply it on here, peel this off, stick it to your acne, press the on button, and it has the light. Obviously, it'll go on clean skin and you'll put it right on the acne. Surprisingly, today I don't have any acne. This will stay on your acne for 3 minutes, and it will go through phases of red and blue light therapy. The red light helps target inflammation and the blue light helps with bacteria. It says it has 30 treatments, but only came with 4 pads, so I guess you reuse them, which that would be kind of unsanitary, right? I think that's actually a really cool idea, but my friend gave me this Revive Light Therapy Wand. You press it on and it has the red and blue lights. It may just look purple to you on the camera, but it's mostly blue and 4 red ones, and you just hold it up to your skin. I've tried this several times when I had acne and honestly didn't see any kind of improvement at all. You know, sometimes I think we're just doing too much with all this stuff, lights and wands and scraping this, putting this on, do this, don't do this, put this here. What if we just didn't do anything? What if we tried less and got more? Kind of like the law of least effort. The less you try, the easier things are. What's an example of that? Kind of like when you're dating. When you don't want to date people, that's when people want to date you. But when you do want to date people, that's when people don't want to date you. So the law of least effort is just try less, do less, try less, and you'll get more. Sometimes I feel like things like that are just too much. Just let the acne be acne. Let it be free. Put some water on it. Anyway, lights like these did not work for me, and I did use this one consistently. I'm sure it makes your face cleaner, the bacteria, but it's not anything that worked well enough for me to revisit it again and again and again. I just think this is kind of gimmicky, but a great idea. Our stone is still not dry. Well, how long is that gonna take? I guess I'm just gonna let this dry overnight, and I'll show you a clip tomorrow. Our rock is dry, finally. So you're just supposed to pick the goo out of the pores. It's almost like the glue is too hard and none of it's really coming out. And I don't know if you'll be able to pick this up, but when this pick hits the rock, it sounds like the tool at the dentist where they scrape your teeth, picking the plaque off. For me, that gives me more anxiety. So I think this is trash. Also dangerous if this slips and stabs you in the finger. That wraps up our Amazon self-care haul part 2. A couple things before we depart each other. I have been in the baking spirit. Baking pies, cakes. The YouTube powers that be really don't like when you mix in content. Hair content, baking, vlogs. It's supposed to be the same thing. Doesn't always have to be, but in the grand scheme of things, I am a smaller channel, even though it may not look like it, but compared to most, this is a smaller channel. So it has to stay at a certain niche or they punish you. It's just how it works. So to avoid any kind of punishments, I created a food channel. So far, I've only made one thing, a bean pie. I'm gonna put all my cooking content there. It won't have a schedule like this is every Sunday, my hair channel is every Friday. I'm not gonna possibly be able to cook every week, but when I do get the opportunity to cook and film it and edit it, put it together. I would like to put it in that space so it has its own little corner. So if that's something that interests you, I'll link that below. It'll be cooking, and when I mean cooking, it's usually older recipes, southern recipes, mayonnaise, Butterfingers, sour cream, cherries. Call it a salad. Tasting really odd foods, going grocery shopping together, things like that. Just food related content, but it's not a, what am I trying to say? It's not serious. It's not like a tutorial on how to make an omelet or something. It's just having fun. I'm not really a great cook. I just enjoy it. I actually wanted to go to culinary school, but I couldn't afford it. So here we are. So that content will actually be in my kitchen. But if you've been here long enough, remember when we used to cook in the bathroom? Anyway, I hope you're having a nice week. Make sure you're taking time for yourself. Tell everybody to just kindly F off. You need a second. No is a complete sentence. You can do it. Don't forget to be kind to others, be kind to yourself. Drive slow. Drink more water. And I will see you next time for something cool. Something cool. Nobody likes an intro. That's like putting your head to the microwave while it's on. Whatever. How are you gonna fix that? I don't know. My coccyx is bent. Excuse me? I gotta get that out of there. That is gonna make me cry. I don't know who to blame that on. Not me. Why did you have bug eyes then? With your hands? One time I went to a psychic fair. I think they're just trying to fool us. Nobody cares.